If you've been seeing $60,000 or $80,000 barndominium kits online and thinking, okay, but what does the finished house actually cost? This video is for you. Because in 2026, a true move-in ready barndominium, foundation, framing, plumbing, electrical, insulation, HVAC, cabinets, appliances, flooring, everything, typically runs between $150 and $250 per square foot. So what does that actually get you under a $500,000 budget? Today, I'm walking you through 5 complete, realistic barndominium builds you can actually build in 2026, from smart entry-level to near luxury, with honest turnkey numbers based on current builder quotes and material costs across the US. And stay with me until the end. I'll show you the square footage range where most families get the best value per dollar in 2026, and where people usually overspend without realizing it. Let's get into it. First, what turnkey really means. Before we look at examples, let's clear up confusion. When I say complete turnkey, I mean engineered concrete slab foundation, steel frame and full metal shell, exterior doors and energy-efficient windows, interior framing and insulation, drywall, paint, finished ceilings, flooring throughout, complete kitchen with cabinets, countertops, appliances, fully finished bathrooms, electrical panel, wiring, outlets, and lighting, full plumbing system, central HVAC system, interior doors and trim, gutters and basic exterior completion. This is a house you can walk into, unpack, and live in. Not a shell, not a kit, not you finish the rest. Now let's look at real numbers. Example 1, the entry-level complete barndominium. Starting with a very attainable first option, around 1,500 square feet, fully turnkey, perfect for couples, downsizers, or small families who want modern space without excess. Layout includes 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, open living, dining, and kitchen with island, vaulted ceilings with exposed beams, attached 2-car garage integrated into the structure, durable metal exterior in your choice of color. Finishes at this level are solid builder-grade quality, luxury vinyl plank flooring, painted drywall, stock cabinetry and neutral colors, laminate or entry-level granite countertops, stainless steel appliance package, tiled showers, central HVAC, full electrical and plumbing systems, all complete. Honest total cost in 2026, $235,000 to $295,000 turnkey. That's roughly $157 to $197 per square foot. For context, in many markets, a traditional 1,500 square foot new build is already pushing $350K. This is one of the strongest value entry points in the entire housing market right now. Example 2, the family-friendly barndominium. Now we step up to what many growing families target, around 2,400 square feet, fully turnkey. Layout includes 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, large master suite with walk-in closet, spacious open great room, kitchen with island seating for 6, separate dining space, dedicated laundry room, attached 2 to 3-car garage, optional covered porch areas. Finishes upgrade slightly at this level. Upgraded LVP or mid-grade hardwood in main areas, tile bathrooms, soft close cabinetry, granite or quartz countertops, stainless appliances including a refrigerator, recessed lighting, statement fixtures, multiple ceiling fans, high-efficiency HVAC, and upgraded insulation such as spray foam in some builds. Honest total cost, $375,000 to $470,000 turnkey. That's about $156 to $196 per square foot. Notice something important here. You're still under $200 per square foot while gaining nearly 1,000 extra square feet compared to example 1. This is where many families start seeing real scale value. Example 3, the home plus workshop barndominium. This is where barndominiums really separate themselves from traditional homes. Total size, 2,800 square feet, about 2,000 square feet living plus 800 square feet workshop space. Living side, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open kitchen and living, upgraded master bath. Workshop side, insulated and optionally climate-controlled, 10 to 12-foot garage doors, 220-volt outlets, reinforced slab,
optional epoxy floors, additional lighting and ventilation. The beauty here is efficiency. One structure, one foundation, one exterior envelope. Building a detached workshop separately could add $80,000 to $120,000. Honest total cost: $435,000 to $495,000 turnkey, approximately $156 to $177 per square foot across the entire structure. This configuration is incredibly popular in 2026. Example 4. The high-end barndominium. If you want to approach the full $500,000 budget and maximize space and finishes, around 3,200 square feet, complete turnkey. Layout includes 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, large master suite with spa-style bathroom, gourmet kitchen with oversized island, formal dining plus breakfast area, dedicated office, bonus or media room, multiple covered outdoor living areas, oversized 3-car garage. Premium finishes: real hardwood flooring, tile bathrooms, custom cabinetry, quartz or granite throughout, professional-grade appliances, designer lighting, custom tile showers, tray ceilings, built-ins, smart home integration, zoned HVAC, and upgraded insulation and windows. Honest total cost: $475,000 to $500,000 turnkey, which equals roughly $148 to $156 per square foot. That's over 3,200 square feet for less than many 2,400 square foot custom homes in traditional construction.
Example 5. The maximum value sweet spot. Now here's where most families actually land, between 2,800 and 3,000 square feet. Balanced size, balanced finishes, strong resale value. Layout includes 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, vaulted open great room, spacious kitchen with island, walk-in pantry, office flex room, generous laundry, 2 to 3-car garage, covered patio or porch. Finishes mix value and quality: LVP or hardwood in main areas, tile bathrooms, solid cabinetry, quartz kitchen counters, full stainless appliances, modern lighting, high-efficiency HVAC, good insulation, optional exterior stone or wood accents. Honest cost: $435,000 to $480,000 turnkey, around $150 to $160 per square foot. This is the zone where cost per square foot, functionality, and long-term value align best. What is not usually included? Even turnkey builds typically exclude land purchase, heavy site clearing or grading, long paved driveways, septic or well systems, utility hookups beyond property line, landscaping packages, county permit or impact fees, major custom upgrades. Always budget separately for those. Realistic 2026 cost expectations. In today's market, complete turnkey barndominiums generally run $150 to $250 per square foot. Here's what that translates to with a $500 budget. At about $150 per square foot, that's roughly 3,300 square feet. At $175 per square foot, about $2,850. At $200 per square foot, around $2,500. And at $225 per square foot, roughly 2,200 square feet. Most families aiming for value settle in the 2,400 to 3,000 square foot range. That's the efficiency sweet spot. Why barndominiums cost less? Steel frames go up quickly. Prefabricated components reduce labor hours. Open-span designs reduce structural complexity. Metal exteriors require minimal maintenance. Steel resists termites, rot, and warping. Simple barn geometry lowers construction cost. And many owners report 25 to 40% lower overall build cost compared to traditional homes of similar size and quality. Typical complete build timeline. Design and planning 1 to 2 months. Foundation 2 to 4 weeks. Shell erection 1 to 2 weeks. Interior completion 3 to 5 months. Total
roughly 5 to 8 months to move in. Traditional custom homes often run 10 to 14 plus months. Faster timeline equals lower loan interest and carrying costs. Under $500,000 in 2026, you can realistically build 1,500 square foot starter at $235K to $295K, 2,400 square foot family home at $375K to $470K, 2,800 square foot home plus workshop at $435K to $495K, 3,200 square foot luxury build at $475K to $500K. The value sweet spot, 2,400 to 3,000 square feet with balanced finishes. Now I'm curious, if you had a $500K build budget, would you go smaller and upgrade everything, or maximize square footage and keep finishes practical? Would you add a workshop? Drop your choice in the comments. I read every one. If this breakdown helped, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more honest barndominium cost breakdowns and real build expectations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.